Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. In last class we have discussed the topic comparing numbers. Now in this class we are going to discuss the topic before and after numbers. So all of you open your textbooks, page number 2, in 5th bit. All of you open your textbook, page number 2, 5th bit. In 5th bit, they are given like this. What comes before and after? Okay. So all of you open your page number 2. Now here 5th bit. This is the bit I am explaining now in this class. Okay. Now here A to F means 6 problems given. Okay. Now here 527 and B bit 631, C bit 99, D bit 360 and E bit 985 and F bit 10. So now we can find out comes before number and comes after number. So now here 527 given. Now in first bit 527. Now the number that comes before, 527 is, now first what we can do here, minus 1 means here now we can find out just comes before number, no? So that's why we can do subtraction with minus 1. Okay, so 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. And again we are writing 2 as it is. Here any number not there, no? So that's why 2 we can write as it is. And again 5 we can write here. Okay, what is the answer? 526. Okay, now the number that comes before 527 is 526. Okay, understood? Now we can find out the number that comes after 527. So comes after means here we can do the plus 1. Here we can do the addition. Okay. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. And again here we are writing 2. And next here 5. Okay. So what is the answer? 528. Okay, understood? So now the number that comes after 527 is 528. Okay. Now next number 631. 631. So now I am find out just comes before. Okay. 631 just comes before number. Now what we can do here? We can do the subtraction with minus 1. Okay, we can adding or subtraction with 1 only. So now here, here comes before means here we can do the subtraction with minus 1. And just comes after number means we can do plus 1. Okay, so now we are subtraction with minus 1 in 1's place. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 0. And 3 I am writing here, 6 I am writing here. So what is the answer? 630. So now 630 I am writing here. Okay. Now here, now we can find out 631. What is a 631? The number that comes after 631. Okay. So now here 631 plus 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 6. Now what is the answer? 632. Okay. Now the number that comes after 631 is 632. Okay. Now here what is the number given here? 99. Now we can find out what is the number that comes before. Okay. Now what we can do here? We can do the subtraction with minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. And again I am writing here 9. So what is the answer? 98. I am writing here 98. Okay. Now here we can find out 99 just comes after. Okay. So now we can find out just comes after means here we do the plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, what is the answer? 100. 100 I am writing here. Okay, next 360. Okay, now 360. So now 360 first I am writing here. Now we can find out just comes before number. Now we can find out just comes before number. So now what we can do? We can do the subtraction with minus 1. Okay. So now here 0 minus 1 it is possible? No. Why? 0 is the smallest number. So now what we can do? We take a borrow. We take a borrow. 0 changes into 10 and again 6 changes into 5. 10 minus 1, 9 and 5 I am writing here and again 3. So 351. Sorry, 359. 359 I am writing here. Okay. Next one. Now we can find out the number that comes after 360. So now comes after the number, just comes after number we can find out, we can do plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 6, 3. Okay. Now we can write here 361. The number that comes after 360 is 361. Okay, understood? Now next number 985. So now I am writing here 985. 985. So in 985 now we can find out the number that comes before 985. The number that comes just before number means here we can do the subtraction with minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 4, 8, 9. What is the answer? 984. Okay. Next one, the number that just comes after number. Here we can do the addition. 985 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 8, 9. What is the answer? 986. I am writing here. Okay. And at the last number here given 10. 10. The number that just comes before 10 is 9. We know that. 10 minus 1, 9. The number that comes just after number 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So these are the problems given in your textbook. All of you note down these answers in your textbook. Okay. Already these numbers given in your textbook. You can note down 526, 630, 98, 359, 984, 9. Again here 528, 632, 100, 361, 986, 11. These are the numbers you can note down in your textbook. So the text work is finished now. Now take your homework book, all of you. Take your homework book. Okay. All of you open your homework book and draw the margin and write the date 15/9. Okay. Write the date 15/9 and write the question what comes before and after. What comes before and after. Okay. Here note down these questions, all of you. Note down these questions. Here 65. Here 2 blanks given. Now he can write what comes just before number and what comes just after number. 454, 215 and 113. So these are the 4 numbers given in your homework book. Okay, now down and write the answers and take a pic and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. And take your diary, all of you. Take your diary and write a day, Tuesday, date 15/9 and max diary work. Do given problems in homework, in homework book. So now already given now how many problems given? 4 problems given now. That 4 problems you can write correctly with neat handwriting. So homework book you can write with pen. Homework or classwork you can write with pen. Okay, use the pen and write the homework and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Thank you.